The Meghalaya Police Prison Department for the first time had organized a 3-month basic training course for 25 warders at 1st MLP Battalion's Training Center, Maoyong, where Shri M. Kharkrang, IPS Inspector General of Prisons, graced as a chief guest at a closing function here today. The warder trainees were given training on courses which include foot drills, arm drills, firing practice, indoor classes, courses on legal studies, prison rules and human rights. In his speech during the closing function, Shri Kharkrang said that he was pleased and the prison departments feel proud that they could organize this program, which they concluded today in a grand success. He urged the passing out warder trainees to commit themselves to their work and put into practice what they have learned during the training. He exhorted them to prepare themselves towards prison reforms.